Welcome to day 17 of the Etsy Hacks Challenge. In today's hack video, I'm going to show you how to take a sneak peek at your competitors' sales history of what they're selling, and you're going to be able to figure out their top best sellers. Let's get started. So the hack that I'm going to show you today only works if they actually have their sales history on. You actually can go on the back end on your dashboard and close out your sales history. So for instance, this particular shop that I just found randomly does have their sales history on. Now, if you want to learn how to turn it off, I'm going to leave a link with the instructions below this video as well as in the comments area. So what you're going to do is if you find a store that you want to see their sales, if they have this open, this link will be a hyperlink. When you actually click on it, you will be able to open a new window like this, and it's going to show you every single thing that they have ever sold in their store. As you can see, this particular product right here is already one of their top sellers because on this particular page, they have sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And then this one right here is also another popular one right here. And you're able to go all the way back to all of their sales. Essentially, you could even calculate, if you wanted to, an approximate of how much the store actually makes by looking up the pricing for each product. But this is how easy it is to spy on your competitors, see what are their top sellers in their store, and kind of have inventory of what's working for them and what's not working for them. Let me know in the comments if you knew about this hack, and thank you for watching.